What is up, everyone? This is Evil Neko again, and today we're back with some more Ratchet and Clank on the PS2. I don't remember what world we're going to next, but I know we just did this one, and I want to go do the optional one. I just don't remember what the fuck that one was. So I'm gonna check that real quick. I'm still in the process of getting a handful of things situated and sorted. I got a PC I'm currently trying to build at the moment, along with setting up for recordings, but that's really about it. What the fuck was that? That wasn't that.
Hello.
Not what I wanted to do, but okay, that'll work too, apparently. No, not that. Options? No, it can't be. Alright, well, fuck it. We're just gonna hop in the ship, go find a planet, land on it, and go take care of it. Because I think... What the fuck was it now? I don't remember. Because I think that's where we gotta go for the main story, and this is optional. So we're gonna go here. Yep. Oh, I thought I could just... Damn it! Okay, real quick, I'm just curious. Oh. Well, I think I know what I'm gonna go do after recording. But first, we're gonna go here, take care of this, and then we're gonna go and take care of the main story quest. Go back to the bomb glove. Don't want to fall on the chakra looking shit. I'm pretty sure it's instant death. But I could be wrong. I have no idea. I'm curious. Yep. Oh wait. Oh wait. No, it's not. Okay. At least not instantly. It's somewhat traversable. Somewhat. Not 100%.
Hi there, Fuzzball. Ooh,
I
that's
like
a nice
this.
one.
I like this dude. I don't know why, but I like this dude. Face. Okay, so it looks like I have to go this way. Okay, that makes sense. So here I was hoping to go a different direction. I got something downloading in the background. That's probably what caused the biggest smoothing problem. I already kind of forget the fuck I'm doing. Oh shit. Hey, come here. Oh, not you, not you. Fuck. Do not wish to be kebab. Ow.
You will need a Gadgetron swing shot to traverse this area. Our records indicate that the swing shot is not available on this planet.
Oh, god damn it. Well, looks like I'm not just gonna try to wing that one. That is a little more difficult than Yay, some bulbs, we'll take it. Nope, that is still the chocolate milk of death. Oh, damn it. How did I? Of all things, I could have fucked up and failed. It was that. Oh well. Shit happens. Guy must be. You know what I'm kind of curious about? Oh, I actually... Wait. I could have just jumped straight down. You two doing alright? You look kind of wigged out on crack. Yeah, more bomb glove. Hell yeah. Shit. Happily takes more bullets. Or whatever this game's currency is called. You see something over here? Oh. I see this though. Don't fully need, but I'll take it anyway. I'm not going to complain about free crap. Yay, free crap. Now, where do I go? Something tells me I wasn't supposed to come here yet. Was I? Or did I just go the wrong direction? Oh, I was looking at the wrong direction. That's what happened.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Bring the prize from the hoverboard races. Oh, hell yeah. Make sure I'm not forgetting anything around here, so let's go. Where the hell do I go from here? Oh, that's probably where that other thing we would show. That's where, yeah. That's where I need to go get the item from, probably. Let's see here. Fuck. Wait. Hold on, maybe not. There's might be something behind here. Oh, shit.
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, all right. You just keep that foot elevated.
I like Ratchet's motivation. So I kind of went the wrong direction, apparently. There's not time for this. That's fantastic. Little bastard. I'm not gonna turn down stretch bolts. Oh hell yeah! You know what? I'm curious. How does this fit? Oh, fantastic! I might have an idea for this thing. Actually, this is no time to be falling in the chocolate milk bullshit. I don't even know what to call that. It looks like a chocolate milk deck. That's what it looks like. Bit of chocolate deck. I mean, I'm not gonna turn down chocolate, but at the same time, not if it kills me. I'm gonna do one thing here real quick. Increase it up a little bit. Hey, here we go. Hear my fire. Must get more bolts. Oh yeah. Alright, 3 left. I think I might know where. I think I might know exactly where they are. First, oh, the bolts. Oh, those bolts. So I have a theory I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need a shit ton of them later. Yeah, the last one's somewhere over there, probably not up there. Let's go. No. Perfect.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Planet Railguard.
Okay, so now if we look at the map. Curious. Alright. Gotta go on another planet, I think. Let's see. I'm curious. Bring prize. Oh, okay, yeah. So I have to go to. Yep. The agent mentioned planet Railguard. Yup, I have to go to a different planet for that one. So I'll have to come back to this one, which I'm gonna have to anyway, eventually. But wrong button. Yeah, I think that right there is where I need that slingshot ability thing. Wait, anything new here? Nope, just ammo. But just out of curiosity. Also, I'm curious. How do I not have anything? Unless if I can only use fucking hell. Unless if I can only use the hoverboard during that race thing. Which that would make sense, but let's see here. Yep, that's exactly what's over here. Though, just out of curiosity.
You will need a Gadgetron swing shot to traverse this area. Our records indicate that the swing shot
Yep,
is not available.
unfortunately. I
on
kinda
this
can't do anything yet, but I feel like there's a way to get over there without it, but I don't feel like exploding a bunch of options to attempt to try it. So instead, we shall return to this world after we go find Captain Quark and get that slingshot thingamafuck and get that prize. That be the Dr. Pepper speaking. Gotta love Dr. Pepper. Metropolis. Visit Al's Visit Al's Robo Shack. Let's go. I feel like here's where I can start buying. I can go and start buying more shit, but I have no idea yet. So we got a few options here. Hold on, let's see here. Explore the rest of the city. Okay. Well, going the wrong way is the way I prefer to go. And just out of curiosity, if I can commit suicide here. Awesome! Hey! Another vendor.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Ooh, blaster. Just blaster. Fuck it. I'm gonna buy it. Hell yeah. Sure. One round per bolt. So fuck it. That one's different. No. Ratchet has another gun. Okay, that looks like a quark dummy. I feel like that's the right way to go. I don't want to go there yet. I want to go this way. Wrong button. Again.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Poor Clank. Who's looking at themselves actually Captain Quark? Oh shit. Though I feel like if I was like 4, I probably would have made that same. I would have probably had that same thought if I didn't think any better. Which I probably would have. Since I freaked out so much when playing the game Malice. Oh well. Do I go that way, or I'm curious. It looks like it's going down, so it looks like if I go that way, climb up that thing. Yep. What the fuck? Who the hell is that dancing over there? I don't know. Let's just go and figure it out. Also, this video might be a little bit longer than the first. Well, a little bit's kind of an understatement. A lot longer because I'm gonna knock out this world too, and then I'll probably call the video. So I'm kind of debating if I want to do half hour or hour long. Yeah, we'll see. wonder. Nope. Oh, I can't stand on that. Okay, cool.
These moving walls also function as jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until you reach the top.
Oh shit. I think I could make that, but I don't think I want to try it. That's right. I like how he says accidental death. I got to die. Who the fuck are you?
Listen up, you loudballs! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it is weak. When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad life's not fair.
I thought she was gonna be a pain in the ass of a boss, but I kind of like her already. It. Thing. Robot. Person. I don't know what the fuck it is. I don't know the whole rules and logistics of shit.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron Swing Shot. Use it on standard Versa targets like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to aim.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing half the time, so we're just gonna wing this. Luckily I got a lot of bolts. Now, do we go back to the other planet and use the swing shot and go wrap up that other part? Or do we press on with the rest of this planet? Because on one hand, I kind of want to go back to the other planet, but on the other hand, I want to finish up this. Fuck it, we're going back to the other planet and using this thing out. Ah, here's the ship. Probably not the smartest thing to do or the most efficient thing, but fuck it. Quark can wait. Man's got patience. Well, enough of it. Well, enough patience at least. I'm sure. Gadgets. Okay, so it is here. Oh, shit. Okay. Fear the wrath of my God. I don't care. This is a gun. It's a fully automatic one, too. Yeet. I will call it a blaster, like it says, because I'll play ball. Alright, oh. I actually have to have it equipped. Okay. I mean, that kind of makes sense. Just saying. I believe this is a giant elevator. Or one small one if I can get up there. What is this? I am curious. Yeet. Oh, bunch of explosives. Yeet. Fuck! Damn it. I'm not going to give up. Now knowing there's not really a whole lot to go do over here, except for just climb these balls. That sounded weird saying it. But I don't care. Anything else? All this. How much more is there? Holy shit. I really should be collecting this for money, but I haven't been. Free gun? Is this a free gun?
Yes.
Trespasser. The fuck's this do?
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invincilock. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invincilock will open. Use the left analog stick to control the trespasser. Push up and down to select which ring is active. Push left and right to rotate the ring.
Oh, cool. Yay, bolts. That was it. Okay. Or what, like 35 minutes? let's go do Captain Quark's now. Let's re-equip the bomb glove and go head back to Metropolis. Ah, that's our perfect ship. Metropolis! Here we go. Explore the rest of the city, visit Al's Robo Shack. Can do. Just gonna say, worth it. Okay, now we can actually continue on with the game itself.
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Now we find danger. In this case, we're gonna rig for the blaster. Poor Robo. Beat you. I mean, that's one way of doing it. Fuck it. We shall carry on. Boxes, fantastic.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Of course. Alright, let's be the man. Wrong button.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
What the fuck? That was funny. Oh, hell yeah.
Try using the Helipack's boost jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
Let's go do this little tester out over here. I'm curious. Do you have anything else to say? Nope. Oh, I can't even shoot him. Even if I wanted to. Oh! As I fly to my death.
Try using the Helipack's boost jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump. You'll need your new Helipack stretch jump feature to cross this gap. While you're running, crouch using the R1 button and then jump.
There's something up there. I'm curious now. How to get over there? Found out.
Try using the glide feature of your new Helipack.
Black
Jump,
bullets, are they
and
ones
then
that
press
are
and
more
hold
valuable?
the X button in midair to glide.
Goodbye. Hey, you get yeeted off the platform. Wait, there's still more? Holy hell. Am I going the right way by accident? Fuck, I am. I am accidentally going in the right direction. I'm seriously hitting circle for back, not triangle. So here's what I'm going to go do. I'm curious. Can I actually get on this? Does this actually have? Does this have collision? It does. Wait, what? I got a skill point. Okay, let's just get away from the Robo Dick. I got a skill point. The fuck? Okay. I don't know how, but my dumb idea to go this way got me a skill point. I'm curious, what's over here now? Oh, wait, I think this is the way. I think this is the way I came in from. I mean, it kind of has to be. Yeah, it's where I came in from, but I see a taxi. I'm curious where this takes me. Turn to vendor. Oh, okay. So that takes me back to the beginning of the beginning of the game, or the beginning of the world, we'll say. Okay, time to go back to the right direction. I am kind of curious to see worlds I can go to jump and fly to and get more skill points from, because didn't think there would be skill points in this game, but apparently there is. Hey, more bolts. Hell yeah. I have a bad idea, but I don't know if I got the balls to do it. Now I do. Oh, shit. That never happened. That never happened at all. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's go. I forgot that's explosive. Ow. They step on more explosives. Suck my... I don't know where I'm gonna go with this. That just sounds weird. There we go. Yeet. Shit. So much money. Ammo. I'll happily take ammo. Oh, there I am. Goodbye. Get off my train, bitch. Ow. Dick. Of course I find a way to go fuck that up. Oh, I can't skip this cutscene. Fuck. That's a random pack of blue cheese. That's right, I forgot of it. I bought wings earlier. Why does that gun sound like it's the same sound from the Shadow the Hedgehog game? Wait, did I kill him or did he blow himself up? I'm gonna say yes. Come here, you little info bot. Or run away. Not the intention, but I guess that'll work too. Okay, so this is dragging out on a little bit too long, so I'm gonna save it here. I will see you guys in the next episode.